Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add name in your Telegram group. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. First thing first, let's tap into the app Telegram itself. Tap there and it will lead you to this chat page. So suppose you have to choose a group. Let's choose this one right here. So it already had a name, so let's change this name right here. To do that, you have to tap into the profile icon that is at the right top corner. Let's tap there, and here you can see edit option. Let's tap in there, and this is where you can change your name. Let's tap into the name itself and let's change it. Yeah. Joyful, and it's random, so let's tap done. Let's go back, and here you can see your group name has been changed, and this is how you can add name to your Telegram group. I hope this video was helpful. If so, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any queries regarding this or any other videos, then please do not hesitate to comment in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to help you with that. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.